my brother-in-law's birthday today, so she's gonna have a small barbecue. Waiting for Julian, of course, and John, like father, like son.
I need a close-up because I have horrible photos.
Oh,
Hi, Mara's vlog.
Daddy, can I get Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Good morning. I am just getting ready to go pick up John and Julie. They decided to stay the night at my sister-in-law's house. My keys. Probably go pick up some pastries for them too. I just finished picking up my nephew from daycare because they called me saying he was throwing up, and his parents were working, so they couldn't get a hold of them. So I just dropped him off with with his sister. Hope the little guy's feeling better, and I am absolutely starving, so I'm going to go try this Chinese food place that I've been wanting to go try. We had this other Chinese food place we always used to go to, but the last 2 times we went, it has just been so gross. So I was looking for a new place to go to, a go-to spot, and I found one. Hopefully I like it. Everyone's chasing Gisele. She doesn't want to share her toys. Cooking some fajitas. I just came back from the store. I went to go buy sour cream. And this week it feels like it's been one of those weeks where I have been to the grocery store like every day because I have forgotten. Like today, I didn't have sour cream. I could have sworn we had sour cream. None. Yesterday, I needed something for the ceviche, so, tostadas, and I completely forgot. Oh, the ones we had were stale. So I feel like this week I've gone to the grocery store every day. Love cooking with lots of colorful colors, except I didn't have a yellow bell pepper, so red and green will do.
What do we do? Climb the rocks or something?
Hiking day.
Hiking's fun. Mom, you and John went hiking here?
Careful.
Oh, Julie, you're going to have to get down.
Oh. Why are we going to have to get down?
For thorn bushes.
Huh?
Why are we going to have to get down?
Because it's steep.
It's too busy having fun. These shoes are not meant for this.
Yeah, this bridge looks safe.
Well,
That's a long fall.
one at a time, Jesus.
Be careful.
Okay, jump.
Woo! You made it. Oh. Oh, so nice. Wonder if we can get any closer. Because we were down there. So nice. You like it?
What are you looking at?
Snake skin. Would hate to run into that.
There's snakes over there?
Yeah, over there. Over there.
That looks like a big snake.
Okay, we had to get closer. Dad and Julie coming down.